Hello guys, so welcome back to another part of the video, the second part of the video on how to upgrade your business name to a limited liability company. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you know there is value in this video or you watch the first part, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't watched the first part of the video, make sure you check the description box below, or you check my channel to get the video and watch, because this is the second part of the video on how to upgrade your business name to limited liability company. In order for you to have a comprehensive understanding of the process of upgrading from business name to limited liability company, so you have to watch the first part, so make sure you watch it. So without further ado, so the first thing we have to do, you log into your CAC dashboard. So once you log in, then this is going to be the interface. So what you want to click on, as you know, is to click on the name requiring consent. So I've explained this in the previous part of the video, so I'm going to click on it. So once you click on it, what you want to do is to click on the approve application. So here you are going to be seeing the not submitted name, the pending application you apply for, and the one that has been queried and the one that has been approved. So in our case, we are going to be clicking on the approved application. So once we click on the approved application, it's going to show you the list of names that it has been approved for. It's going to show you the name of company or any kind of consent you seek that has been approved. So now what you want to do is to locate the name. So you locate the name you want to work on. So then you just click on this action button. So once you click on the action button, you click on go to registration. So you click on go to registration. Okay, so now once you click on go to registration, it's going to show you the previous part we have previously filled in the first part of the video. So it's going to show you the company details, the article of association, the objective of memorandum, the director details. So you just have to continue. It's going to bring the details for you. So you just have to click on save and continue, then click on save and continue. Now, so this is the part we are going to be working on, is the part where you are going to be entering the share issue capital of the company. As you know, we didn't had our shareholder or the share details in the first part of the video, so now we are going to be doing that right now. So what you want to do is to select the type of company. So we have different type of company, whatever your category of your company you want to upgrade into first into. What we want to choose now is entity with shares below 5 million. So once we choose that, then so here we enter the share capital, which is going to be 1 million shares capital for this particular company. So what you want to do is just to move down a bit. So you select the class of shares. So here I'm going to be going with ordinary or equity share. So once we do that, we enter the value as well. So I'm going to be entering 1 million here as well. So then I will come down here, divide into units. So it's going to be 1 million shares. It's going to be divided into 1 million as well. So which means the nominal value of each share is going to be 1 naira. Then once we do that, then you want to click on add share breakdown. So once you add share breakdown, so the next thing is to add your shareholder. So you click here, you select the type of shareholder you want to add. So you can add individual shareholder or minor shareholder. So a minor shareholder is just someone that is below the age of 18. Then you can add a corporate shareholder. So in this case, I'm going to click on individual shareholder. So this is how we are going to be adding the shareholder one after the other. So if you are adding more than one shareholder, you want to distribute or you want to allocate the shares between two or more people, so you have to add them individually. Then you base the total numbers of shares, you base it on percentage. So take for instance, I want to give these shares to 4 people, right? So now I'm doing it for 1 million shares. So what I want to do here is that I'm going to base the total 1 million share on percentage, which means it's going to be 100%. Now 100% divided by 4, so which means it's going to be 25% by each shareholder. Now this 1 million share, what I want to do now is going to be like for each shareholder, so it's going to be 250,000 naira for each shareholder. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. So okay, I have a shareholder added already. So what, let me just say I want to do this. Let me just click on this edit details. So here I'll just fill in the details, fill all the details. So then what you want to do is here number of shares allotted to this particular shareholder. So let's assume what you are giving to 4 people, so this is just 1 person. So what you want to do here is just to give it 250,000 shares. So then this is going to be for just 1 person. So then you do the same for the second person, you do the same for the third person, you do the same for the fourth person. But if you are giving all the shares to just 1 shareholder, which we are going to be doing here, so I'm just going to enter 1 million shares here. I hope you get it. So once you do that, then you just click on save and continue. So once you save and continue, what you want to do is just to click on save and continue. Now once you click on save and continue, so the person you add as a shareholder, that will automatically become one of the PSC, which means person with significant control. So then you are just going to check all the details if it's okay. So and if there's kind of amendment you want to make, so you can just click on edit, then you do the editing from there. So then what you want to do next is to click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, the statement of compliance, you just have to enter the details of the director of the company. Under the statement of compliance, the details is address, phone number, and everything. Then once you fill in all those details, what you want to click on, you check this icon. So once you check it, then you click on save and continue. Now the next thing is for you to upload the means of ID, which I have done before. So I'm just showing you how it's going to look. So you are going to be uploading the means of ID of the director, the shareholder, the witness, then you upload everything here. Then you upload the signature of the shareholder. So if you have like 4 shareholder like I made mention of in this example I made, so you are going to be uploading the signature for each shareholder under each section. Yeah, it's going to bring out their name. So you click on this upload, then you upload that person signature, right? So then once you upload this, you upload for the witness, for the director, then for the PSC as well. So that's just it. So once you upload all the documents, what you want to click on is to click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, what you want to do is just to cross check. You check the details, is everything intact, is everything okay. So if there's any kind of mistake, so you have to go back, because once you make your payment and CAC approve it, it's going to cost you extra money to make any kind of changes. So I hope you are getting value out of this video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you share this video to someone that it might help. So then we are going to proceed. So that's just you preview everything. Once everything is entered, the next thing you want to do is just to save and continue. Then you proceed to where you are going to be making your payment. So once you make your payment, you just have to wait for it to be approved. So it's going to move to pending section. Once it's moved to pending section, we will wait. It might take a while, and it might be fast depending on the workload from CAC side for them to approve the work. So once it's approved, just go and download your certificates right away. You download your certificate, CAC certificate, the memo and the status report. So but if you know you cannot do this by yourself and you want me to handle it, you can easily reach out to me using the link in the description box below and chat me up so that I can help you with it. Or if you have any other related question regarding this or any other question related to CAC, you can always reach out to me. And if you want to join my mentorship group, so to learn more about CAC, then you are free to join my mentorship class. So you reach out to me, then I'm going to be walking you through anything you want to know about CAC. So thank you, and see you in my next coming video.